సూర్య గారు ఎప్పటి నుంచో మన తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్కి చాలా చేరువైన వ్యక్తి. ఆయన నటన గురించి ఈరోజు కొత్తగా చెప్పాల్సింది ఏం లేదు. యాజ్ ఎ టెక్నీషియన్ నేను అర్థం చేసుకోగలను. ఆయన ట్రైలర్ చూసినప్పుడు, నేను ఎప్పుడో చూశాను ట్రైలర్ యూట్యూబ్లో, అవిభక్త కవలలు అంటాం మనం, ఆ ఇద్దరుగా చేయటానికి ఎంత కష్టం. అసలు పీటర్ హెయిన్స్ మామూలుగానే ఒక రోజంతా పెడతాడు రోప్లో, ఈయన బాబు 3 రోజులు పెట్టారట ఇద్దరికి. చాలా కష్టం. ఆయన కాబట్టే చేశారు ఇది. అలాగే కేవీ ఆనంద్ గారు, నా అభిమాన దర్శకుడు. ఆయన రంగం సినిమా చూసిన తర్వాత ఆ స్క్రిప్ట్ని ఆయన ప్రజెంట్ చేసిన విధానం, నేను ఇప్పుడు 10-15 టైమ్స్ చూసుంటాను సార్ సినిమా. సాంగ్స్ అయితే అద్భుతం నిజంగా. మొత్తం అన్ని రికార్డులు తిరగరాసే సురేష్ గారు చెప్పినట్టు చాలా పెద్ద సినిమా అవుతుంది ఈ సినిమా తెలుగులో. ఎందుకంటే కష్టం ఊరికే పోదు. ఈ సినిమాకి ఆయన 2 years కష్టపడి ఒక చిన్న మ్యాగజైన్లో ఒక ఆర్టికల్ నుంచి ఆయన ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యి ఇంత పెద్ద సినిమా తీయటం చాలా కష్టం. డెఫినెట్గా ఆడియోగా మన ట్రైలర్స్ చూస్తుంటే చాలా రిచ్గా ఉన్నాయి. అలాగే మా సురేష్ గారికి ఆయన ఏది చేసినా డెసిషన్స్ చాలా పర్ఫెక్ట్గా, చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా టప్ అని తీసుకుంటూ ఉంటాడు. ఆయన నాకు ఒక 6 నెలల నుంచి 7 నెలల నుంచి ఈ మాట్రాన్ సినిమా గురించి ఎప్పుడు కలిసినా కూడా ఆయన ఎగ్జైట్మెంట్ ఎలా ఉందంటే, ఒక పెద్ద సినిమా నేను చేస్తున్నాననే ఎగ్జైట్మెంట్ ఎప్పుడు కలిసినా కూడా ఈ మాట్రాన్ సినిమా గురించే. ఎన్ని సినిమాలు, దగ్గర 5-6 సినిమాలు ఆయన ప్రొడక్షన్లో జరుగుతున్నాయి, తెలుగు సినిమాలన్నీ. ఆయనకి అసలు షూటింగ్ అంటే అక్కడ జరుగుతుంది, ఇక్కడ జరుగుతుంది అని ఉంది, కానీ మాట్రాన్ అనేదే డ్రీమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్గా ఉంది. డెఫినెట్గా ఆయన కళ నెరవేరి ఈ తెలుగులో టాప్ 10 ఫిలిమ్స్లో ఇది ఒకటిగా నిలవాలని నేను మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ, హ్యారిస్ జయరాజ్ గారు ఈరోజు లేకపోయినప్పటికీ ఆయన మ్యూజిక్ రంగం కన్నా పెద్ద హిట్ అవ్వాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అలాగే కాజల్, హీరోయిన్స్ నిజంగానే గ్లామర్ వరకు పరిమితం అవుతున్నారు. మా సినిమాల్లోనూ నా సినిమాల్లోనూ కూడా అంతే. కానీ దీంట్లో ఒక మంచి క్యారెక్టర్ కేవీ ఆనంద్ గారు చాలా బాగా చేయించారని తను, మేము అక్కడ ఫారెన్లో షూటింగ్ చేసినప్పుడు కూడా చాలా ఎగ్జైటెడ్గా మాట్లాడింది ఈ సినిమా గురించి. ఆ అమ్మాయి కూడా మంచి పేరు రావాలని, ఈ సినిమాలో పనిచేసిన మొత్తం అందరికీ, శ్రీనివాసన్ గారికి, జాన్వేల్ గారికి, అందరికీ, ఈ సినిమాతో అసోసియేట్ అయిన ప్రతి వాళ్ళు గర్వంగా ఫీల్ అయ్యే సినిమా అవ్వాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Brothers, yeah. At this point of time, each and every move, every decision becomes very, very important in life. And same happened with our film, Brothers. I think like 4 years back, I heard the script and I thought, am I going to do this? Will I be able to pull this off? I was really excited. For us, if it's MGR Garu here, it's like NTR Garu's films. It had everything packed, but still it had a different challenge. So it will be a complete entertainer for all age groups. But still, one new thing, one edge was there, which we thought we should pull it off. It's a fantastic mix of entertainment, commercial cinema, and also a new, something new. We are trying something new in this film. So the whole process was completely fresh for all of us, the entire team. We did a photo shoot, we did a test shoot, we saw how we both look we did a test shoot in the office, and it all went well. But when it came to movie, emotion, different camera angles, lighting, be it a fight sequence, song sequence, it was challenging, became even more challenging. But we really loved the process. That's the reason we didn't get tired for the last take also. We completely enjoyed the whole process. This film, those are very big words, sir, Suresh sir, for saying to be in one of the top 10 films in Telugu cinema. It's really huge, big words. I hope we'll live up to all the expectations. I do believe hard work will never fail. We have all given our 1.5 years sincerely for this project. The entire team, I should say, from director, the entire team, the whole Harij Garu, and also editor Anthony. He's never even let his assistant come and edit even a single frame. He's done everything by himself. And Srini sir was with us from day one. Like any associate director, he was just there even before the shoot, after shoot. He was every day with us. That was a big support. If I'm going to blindly go with them, I know I had that much faith. The way they love the project, it cannot go wrong. Same happened with my Telugu dubbing. It is like a small gift from my side. I hope it's good. Shashank. If it's right, if it's wrong, whatever, all credits will go to Shashank. It's the first time I'm trying Telugu dubbing, but sincerely, I should say, I really loved doing it. A little more than Tamil, I can say, because I enjoyed the language. I enjoyed the way he gave those lines. He enhanced the whole experience for me. I also said, even if it's 10%, 20% less, if you have some doubts, please replace it with another voice. And Srinivas Muthu sir has always been dubbing for me. I said, even if it's 20% less, if you have any doubts, please replace it. And he vouched and he's given that guarantee. So you'll have to ask him if it's good or bad. And also Karthi, in spite of shooting and all whatever work he's been doing, 2-3 projects in a year, he wanted to dub. He said, yes, okay, let me do it. And it was a surprise for me. And first feedback from him. You get used to the scenes, you get used to the whole process when you do. But when another person suddenly from outside, when you ask the person how the film is, then I think that's where you get the genuine feedback. Everything's been positive so far. Karthik has given very good feedback. Shashank has given very good feedbacks. I hope, as everybody's been hoping, we all live up to this expectation. Otherwise, the film is a complete entertainer. It's just not conjoined twins. If there are some lakhs and lakhs of twins and conjoined twins in the world, this is one of the script, one of the life which we have taken and traveled. It was very interesting to see these twins. We've shot with twins from age of 10 months to a 12-year-old. All behave differently. If a 10-month-old baby was put in a cradle, one baby was sleeping quietly, the other one was moving hands and legs, and we couldn't shoot. We had to wait for 3-4 hours for them to settle down, then we had to shoot. Same happened with the 12-year-old. So every age group, these twins behaved differently. I think that's what you can see in this film. They call him Chelipi. I've never been so worse. I've never been such a irresponsible boy on screen. All thanks to K.V. Anand Garu. He's made me really move and become another person. If you see films, it's usually sort of easy to do an angry young man look, to be rugged, to be angry and all that, to do this heroic things. But to be a total different person, when I did, for me, it's Chinna's role when I did, and Shakti's role, and Pidamahan. So all those roles are a little different for me, which was a little edgy and which is not easy for me. Same happened with Aki. In this film, I played Vimalan and Aki. Aki's role was very challenging. I hope I satisfy you with the role Aki. And director sir, I have to especially talk about him. Every film is challenging. Every film, every technician, everybody, we all do hard work. But when you do something new, when you do something edgy, when you do something different, that's where you will question and you will be challenged, and a lot of expectations will happen, and that's when a lot of hard work is needed. I was really amazed with the kind of input, an eye for detail, what KV sir had for the whole film. I still remember we shot in Latvia, and for a second, not even 2 seconds, for a shot, there should be some polythene bags printed, and he had printed those bags here, 300 bags from Chennai, and taken it all over there, and filled up all those gunny bags, 300 bags, put it on a lorry, and he took that one single shot. Everything what he does has been very close to reality. In fact, when we did the film, a portion of the film, we got to know it is a real life incident. It is not just scripted, but it was a true incident. So all that made us, when conviction came in our film, while we were shooting, while we were doing things, we started believing in things even more, and made everything as real as possible. So we have enjoyed the whole process, and thanks to Harris Jairaj sir for this wonderful music, and Chandra Bose Garu and Vanamala Garu and Komalani Puve Garu for all the lyrics they have written. Special thanks to the writers, Telugu writers here. I hope you enjoy, brothers, very soon. And also, sir, I do understand, and we all do understand the kind of release, how it should be happening. Everybody should be happy. Every producer should be happy. Every director and every actor should be happy with their releases. We will sure do our best for the release as you had asked, sir. So thank you so much for the support.